This is one of the better torque exercises an athlete can do to help improve their strength and stability in their hips and lower extremity, which will ultimately lead to better sports performance, faster running speed, and a decreased risk of injury. As our athlete goes into a lunge position with her right leg on the speed board, the ankle is forced into eversion or pronation, and this automatically creates a torque or a rotational force across her pelvis that, due to weakness in her hip muscles that she is presently unaware of, will initially lead to a collapsing inward of her right thigh and hip. As a result, she will have to compensate with her upper body and shoulders by rotating in the opposite or clockwise direction to help counterbalance this pelvic torque. Her inability to remain stable during this exercise all happens because she simply lacks the necessary strength in her hips, especially her hip external rotators and her hip abductors. She needs strength in these muscles to counterbalance the torque force created across them by an exercise like this. So this exercise is a great way to expose a major weakness in the hip joint that an athlete may not know they have. Now, after she has done this exercise for a few days, you can see now where she doesn't have to rotate her upper body as much to maintain her balance. This is because she is building the necessary strength in her hip joint to counterbalance the torque this exercise creates across her pelvis. Strong hip torque exercises like this will also help minimize injuries to the knee ligaments, like the medial collateral ligament and the anterior cruciate ligament. This is why athletes should do them to improve their sports performance. So whether you're a professional or amateur athlete in football, basketball, soccer, baseball, or even golf, having strong, stable hips that can counterbalance the torque that gets created in them during activity is necessary to be a better and more efficient athlete.